Hi friends, this is Shifa. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. In today's video, I am going to talk about something which I love, and that is research. So I am going to talk about how you can choose research topic. There are many students, and if you are doing masters out there, there are many universities which offer you research as a compulsory subject. And I have experienced this personally because most of the students don't have kind of researching ability in them, okay, and during their masters years it becomes really difficult to cope up because you don't know how to collect materials, you don't know, in fact you don't know the basic thing, and that is how to choose a topic, because there are lots and lots of topic out there, and if you are a literature student it becomes even more difficult. Okay, you don't know how it's going to happen, what are the procedures, like what kind of things they are expecting, our professors, the university is expecting from us. So the very first step is thus becomes really important, as well as very risk taking as per se. If I share my experience about choosing a topic, I chose a topic, and after one semester, like after my first semester, I was not happy, so I decided to switch the topic, and it got really difficult for me because we have to complete that particular dissertation in 4 semesters, out of which I wasted 1 semester SAE. So I don't want you people to waste your time, and that's why I've decided to share some of my knowledge on how you can choose proper topic in one go, and how you can cope up with choosing topic for your dissertation. Okay, so if you want to choose the topic, your literature research topic, the first thing you need to do is you need to be clear in your mind for the topics which you never want to do, which you are never going to touch. So you have to exclude that. Okay, now remaining will be the materials, will be the topics which you are confused of, which you don't think you will be able to cope up, which according to you are really difficult, or are the topics which you really like but you are not sure of, like whether to do it or not. So you make a list of those topics, and if for example there are 10 topics, make sure that you have 10 topics in your list, and out of which you are going to choose the top 3 topics. Okay, after choosing the top 3 topics, what you are going to do is you are going to review the materials related to that literature, that top 3 topics. Try to search as much as possible, as much material on that subject, on that particular topic as possible. Now reviewing the literature, again there are 2 categories. The first one is already written topics on them, already written a lot of reviews about that, documentaries, movies, novels, essays. Okay, so you are going to look at what for example, if you're choosing queer theory, so you have to look at the materials which talks about queer theory in the history. So first category is you have to look for the material which has been already written in the history. So what was the impression, how it started from there. And also the second review will be related to, you have to look at what is the current position of that topic. Okay, so there are many topics in literature which has been outdated, and which, for example, about Shakespeare studies, like if you go to foreign universities, most of the people expect you to present something related to Indian literature, because there are lots and lots of paper out there related to Shakespeare. So people nowadays want renovation. So nowadays a lot of things like diaspora, topics on mental illness. Then there is this I don't remember, humanization or post-humanism. So there is this recent topic about post-humanism also. So these are the recent topics, and these are the very hot topics. So you have to make sure that in both of the categories your topic weigh properly. Okay, so you have a lot of already written materials, and that topic is current one, like it's not outdated. Okay, once you review your literature, okay, go and take your help with your peers, your teachers, your friends, and like show them like these are the 3 topics I have chosen, and I have collected these materials. Okay, and simultaneously what you are going to do is look out for WH questions. Now what are WH questions? Why you are doing this research, what is going to help you in this research, like what kind of materials are you going to search for. Okay, how it is important, like what are you looking for in that research. Okay, when it is applicable, where it is applied. So these are the kind of WH questions you are going to ask to yourself for this research. Okay, so you are going to simultaneously ask yourself about these WH questions. In fact, make a list of it. Okay, so when you will make a list of it, you will able to realize that what you are actually looking for. Also, what I said, go and ask your teacher or take help of your teacher. And the next thing you are going to do is to converge the topic towards one thing. For example, I did my research on mental illness, but mental illness is again a very huge term. It's an umbrella term, so you have to come to somewhere. So I chose mental illness in Indian literature, Indian English literature, because J.R.A. Pinto writes in English. The novel was written in English. So this is how I converged, and I was focusing on just that J.R.A. Pinto's novel. Okay, so this is how you converge, and you choose a topic and you go on converging, and then you go on researching in detail. Then you will ask your teacher, when you will review your literature to your teacher, peer or your friend whatsoever. And if you'll simultaneously go on searching for your WH questions, you will realize that what out of that 3 topics, which one topic you really want to do and have a very good scope of, and you will be able to pull that off topic for the rest of the semester. So you will realize what topic you exactly want. Okay, and that is also going to help you, in fact, in a long run, because once you start searching for your WH questions, you get to know a lot of things, like what do you want from that research and how is your research going to proceed. Okay, there are a lot of things. There are research question, you have to give a proposal, but that is a very very huge. I'll need a more than like half an hour to talk on that, how to write a proposal, how to plan out your research question. Okay, but for this video I am just talking about how you are going to choose your research topic. Okay, how you will be able to search it on your own. Okay, so I think this is it for today's video, and I hope you guys like this video. I hope you find this video really helpful, and if you're doing your masters right now, all the very best to you. If you like my video, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends. Also subscribe to my channel if you want more such videos. I'll meet you in the next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye.